Third period, Tuesday, August the 21st. I love that bell. And the warm-up quiz begins now. Number 1. The solution. The solution is to go to the parentheses first and do 2 plus 1. That's 3. Now you can do this multiplication since it's separated by this. Make it 8. And then 3 squared is not 3 times 2. That's 3 times 3, which is 9. 3 times itself. So 3 times 9 is 27, plus 8 is 35. Try this one. Go to the parentheses and get 10 minus 7, which is 3, and square that. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 3 squared is 9, and when you multiply it by 4, it's 36, plus 1, or plus 5, is 41. Number 3. Start with the parentheses first. 6 minus 1 is 5. And then 4 times 3 is 12. 5 squared is 25. 9 times 25 is 225. Plus 12 is 237. 237. Number 4 is 5 times the quantity squared plus 3, or not plus 3, but 3 plus 2, close the quantity, and then plus the quantity squared of 1 plus 1. Everybody had the right answer. It is 129. Here's the last one. Number 5. 4 times the quantity squared of 6 minus 5 plus 9 times the quantity squared of 10 minus 5. Okay, you have to do 6 minus 5 to get a 1 and 10 minus 5 to get a 5. Everything else stays the same. And then go back and get a 1 and a 25. So that's 4 plus 225. Should be 229. Alright, bring up a number from 1 to 10. Winner gets 10 million. The number is 7. If you have 7, come and get it. Next up is the homework check. Time to bring up answers 1, 2, and 3. Answers to 1, 2, and 3 are 22, 5, and 5. Answers to 4, 5, and 6 are 42, 56, and 48. Answer to 7, 8, and 9, 35, 100, and 55. Answers to 10, 11, and 12, 22, 50, and 5. Answers are for 13, 14, and 15, 80, 18, and 16. Homework problem 12. You're going to go here and here first to get a 3 squared and then a 2 squared. Everything else is going to have to stay the same. Now go back and do the squares to come up with 9 and 4. And then you're going to have a 54 and a 20. 9 plus 54 is 63. If I add 2 to that, it's 83. And then 85 is the final answer. For today, it's still going to be order of operations, and the specific learning target is going to be to include brackets, exponents, and parentheses in each of the problems. So here's example number 1. 2 plus 3 times the quantity, 2 plus 4 times the quantity squared of 5 minus 3, close the quantity, subtract 4, close the bigger quantity, and then add 6 times 2. Go to the brackets first. Inside the brackets, here, you're going to start over and then look for parentheses. So you have a 5 minus 3 you have to do first. So everything else is going to stay the same while you're getting that 2. Except on the back side here, notice you have a plus sign. You can do that 6 times 2 now. Make that plus 12. Get it out of the way. Now back inside the brackets, we have 2 squared that we have to take care of. That's going to be 4. And go back inside the brackets. 4 times 4 is 16. So now inside the brackets you can go left to right. 2 plus 16 is 18. 18 minus 4 is 14. Now the 3 up against the brackets means 3 times 14. That's 42. So 2 plus 42 is 44. 44 plus 12 is 56. Practice problem 1. 10 plus 2 times the quantity 4 plus 3 times the quantity squared of 9 minus 6. Close the quantity and then subtract 15. Close the bigger quantity and subtract 2 times 3. On the practice problem, you have to go inside the brackets and then the parentheses to get 9 minus 6. So that's going to come out to be 3. And then everything else stays the same, except you can make this into a minus 6. Go ahead and get rid of it. Now, 3 squared here is 9. So that'll give us a 3 times 9. Everything else stays the same. 3 times 9 is going to be 27. And then everything else stays the same. Now back inside the brackets, you go left to right. 4 plus 27 is 31, minus 15 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32, and then 10 plus 32 is 42, minus 6 is 36. A bonus problem while we wait on everything else to come in. Answer on the bonus is 175. Everybody had that right. Practice number 2. This is 33 plus 2 times the quantity of 4 plus 3 times the quantity squared of 7 minus 4. Close the quantity, add 1, close the bigger quantity, subtract 4. Solution for the practice problem. I'll have to go through this quickly in the interest of time. We're running short. So it'll be 7 minus 4, which is 3. If you square that, you get 9. If you multiply it by 3, you get 27. So 4 plus 27 is 31, plus 1 is 32. 32 times 2 is going to be 64. So 33 plus 64 minus the 4 from back here is going to be 97 minus 4, which is 93. The bonus problem. 2 times the quantity squared of 9 minus 5, close the quantity, plus 3 times the quantity squared of 4 times 1. The answer to both bonuses was 80 in each case. Homework assignment for today. Make sure you write the problem number like this. Write the problem. Underneath of it, show all the work. And then box the final answer.